We're aboard the 2018 Sea Ray 400 SLX. We just took this boat in on trade. This is our trade. So I wanted to give you an overview of this beautiful boat. Nice hydraulic little platform here in the center. You notice this boat is a full teak throughout, which is a really nice upgraded option that the owner got when it was new. A large seating area here in the back, and this pivot's open so we can redirect where you wanted to sit. The deck folds out to the side right against the water line, and this could just be a complete entertaining water sports fun area. Then as we walk our way inside the cockpit, you'll notice all the ample seating. We have a little barbecue summer kitchen area over here with two grills, fridge, and then next to the fridge, another upgraded option of the wine chiller. Got this beautiful, nice hard top above our heads with an opening sunroof, and then after that is an extending sunshade, so you can cover the whole back of that sun pad in the shade if you just wanted to hang out there. Port side, double wide companion's chair so you can face forward while you're cruising underway. Double side captain and co-captain chairs here. The axis controls for the joystick piloting for the motors, automatic trim tabs, two 15.4-inch Raymarine G165 screens, and the boat's equipped with complete digital switching, and you can control all the lights, shades, pumps, etc. right from the screens. I love how deep the gunnels are in this boat. We're walking right along the port side. The ultimate bow rider, they nickname it the Entertainer, because you got seating for 22 people in actual seats. 3 across seats in the bow, below the gunnels, armrests, cup holders, more seating in the front. There is a table that goes on the floor, cup holders, and then access to the anchor windlass. What's also nice about this boat, it's the ultimate day boat, and then you got a cabin. So let's walk down, and I can kind of show you what's going on down here. The V berth turns into a nice dinette and a berth. Samsung LED flat screen television. Your air conditioning controls, microwave, refrigerator down here so you don't have to go in the middle of the night out to the deck to get a drink. And then a really nice queen size bed that's back here. This is the boat. The boat has a whole boat cover, and then plenty of space to sleep 4 adults comfortably down here in this cabin. Generator, air conditioning, etc. Got a wet head, vessel bowl sink. Again, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give us a call. Our number here is 954-783-9555. And this is a 2018 pre-owned Sea Ray 400 SLX.